Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. This is Rai Rai with my husband Trouble Buddy Alan. It's our first day in the city of London in England, United Kingdom. Join us by watching this video as we continue to explore the beautiful city capital of England. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe. We're still here on the bridge of the River Thames, and you can see from here the London Eye. It is a giant Ferris wheel that is considered as one of the famous attractions here in London. But it is not only an ordinary Ferris wheel. At 135 meters, the London Eye is the world's largest cantilevered observation wheel. It was conceived and designed by Marks Barfield Architects and was launched in year 2000. It has won over 85 awards for national and international tourism, outstanding architectural quality and engineering achievement. The London Eye gives one a panoramic view of London, up to 25 kilometers in all directions. Also, as you can see from the back, is the boat cruise. If you go downstairs, you'll see the port for this 40-minute river boat cruise that will take you through the heart of London, along the famous River Thames, where you'll see some of the city's most famous landmarks, including Houses of Parliament, Big Ben, St. Paul's Cathedral, Tower of London, Shakespeare Globe, Tower Bridge, and much more. You'll see from here the Palace of Westminster. Its name, which derives from the neighboring Westminster Abbey, may refer to several historic structures, but most often the Old Palace, a medieval building complex largely destroyed by fire in year 1834, or its replacement, the New Palace that stands today. The palace is owned by the Crown. Committees appointed by both houses manage the building and report to the Speaker of the House of Commons and to the Lord Speaker. While walking on the bridge, we encountered this group of people. I won't tell you the details of what we observed, but I want to warn you about their tricks. As much as I want to expose them, they tried to stop me when they noticed that I'm filming. If you travel to London and see these people, just ignore and avoid them, or you will surely be sorry. I wish the authorities of London will do something about this to protect the tourists. When you're in London, you'll surely see sculptures of lions, just like this one. I heard there are as many as 10,000 lion statues and structures scattered around the city. From the bridge, we decided to walk back, and of course, I won't leave this area without having my pictures taken, with the Big Ben on the background, and this famous red telephone booth. With all these pictures, it will surely be a travel bucket list check. I'm not sure if these phone booths are still working. It seems like these are just displays nowadays. Especially that tourists love to have their pictures taken in these red phone booths. The red telephone box, a telephone kiosk for a public telephone, were designed by Sir Giles Gilbert Scott. It is a familiar sight on the streets of the United Kingdom, Malta, Bermuda, and Gibraltar. Despite the reduction in their numbers in recent years, the traditional British red telephone kiosks can still be seen in many places throughout the UK and in current or former British colonies around the world. The color red was chosen to make them easy to spot. Okay, it's time for us now to visit the Buckingham Palace. The Buckingham Palace is a London royal residence and the administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom. Located in the city of Westminster, the palace is often at the center of state occasions and royal hospitality. It has been a focal point for the British people at times of national rejoicing and mourning. Originally known as Buckingham House, the building at the core of today's palace was a large townhouse built for the Duke of Buckingham in year 1703 on the site that had been in private ownership for at least 150 years. It was acquired by King George III in year 1761 as a private residence for Queen Charlotte and became known as the Queen's House. During the 19th century, it was enlarged by architects John Nass and Edward Blore, who constructed three wings around a central courtyard. Buckingham Palace became the London residence of the British monarch on the accession of Queen Victoria in year 1837. The last major structural additions were made in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, including the East Front, which contains the well-known balcony on which the British royal family traditionally congregates to greet crowds. A German bomb destroyed the palace chapel during the Second World War. The Queen's Gallery was built on the site and opened to the public in year 1962 to exhibit works of art from the royal collection. This is the Victoria Memorial. It is a monument to Queen Victoria, located in front of the Buckingham Palace. It is designed and executed by the sculptor Thomas Brooke. Designed in year 1901, it was unveiled on 16th of May in year 1911, though it was not completed until year 1924. We're too late to see the changing of the guard. It usually takes place in front of Buckingham Palace at 10:45 a.m. and lasts for about 45 minutes. Changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace is the ceremony where the King's Guard hands over responsibility for protecting Buckingham Palace and St. James Palace to the new guard. Occupied royal palaces such as this Buckingham Palace are not private property of the Queen or the King. They are occupied by the sovereign and held in trust by Crown Estate for future generations. Queen Elizabeth privately owns two properties, the Balmoral Castle and the Sandringham House, which are not publicly funded. From the Buckingham Palace, we went back to the city center, to Victoria Station, where we can find a place to have our dinner. This will end our video here, and tomorrow will be another adventure. Watch out for the next video as we visit the famous London Bridge. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more updates. See you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.